Hi everyone, welcome back to Henry Dance Tutorials. Today we're actually not going to learn any dance from any music videos or performance videos. We're actually learning an Instagram trendy video by Jungkook. It's a really fun dance video that I saw on Instagram that I really think we should learn it and have fun with it. So let's get started. So actually we'll be starting at 3, which is kind of weird, but that's okay. Just imagine yourself having someone controlling the camera or holding the camera, counting 1, 2, 3, you start. So you'll be starting at 3, stepping with your right, left, right, left. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you stay in the position with 7, 8. At least that's how it was done because of the distance and the formation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the same time, you'll be having your left hand doing this motion like brushing something away. I don't know what that is, but then it was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after moving forward at 7, 8, you'll have your arms swinging down like this and up to this pose. It doesn't really matter how high or low you swing this because all 3 of them were doing different levels. So you just swing your arms down and tilt to the right. At the same time, you are swinging your head to the back, just like your arms. So boom, just like this, just hit. And you're going to pick up your left foot and kick your heel to the right. So this is 7, 8, 1. Nothing super hard and strong because this is just a really chill dance. Just swing it, tap, tap. This is 1, 2. You will step down your left foot again, and at the same time you'll have your hands at your waist level. If you have like a belt, you can just imagine holding onto your belt because you're doing this shoulder moves. Each step will have your right shoulder going up, 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 up. So focus on the right shoulder. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll do this until 6. You're just doing step together, step together, step. So at 6, your feet should be open like this. So let's do it again slowly from 7, 8, 1. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 6, I thought it was another right shoulder move, but it's actually a small little punch with your left hand down like this at 7. At 8, you're going to throw both fists down like this because you're going to hop and change direction to the left side. But I'm going to not change direction to the left side so I can show you the steps. But after 6, you're going to punch at 7, 8 like this. So you use this to hop and change direction. Still one more time. After 6, 7, 8, and then you change direction. You pretty much land and start the next 8 count. Let's try to go from the very top starting at 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change direction. After 7, 8, you change direction to the left for the first time because the whole dance is about changing direction to the left after each 8 count. So the next 8 count, the first couple of counts, it was not that clear to see what they're doing, but this one focuses mainly from what I saw in the video that you shift and move your hip, pushing your knees side to side for the first 4 counts. So this is 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the first 4 counts. So basically, you're just pushing your hip forward, 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 forward. 45, 45, 45, 45. Not super big. Don't push it too hard because it was really chill. That's why it was kind of mixed up with this step afterwards. After going 1, 2, 3, 4, this one is a little bit easier, but you have to reset at and because you're shifting your right heel in. So you have to come back to center. This is 5, 6, 7. Only 3 counts because we are changing direction at 8. For this move, you don't really lean to the side too much. It's mainly just your heel going in and in and in and in the whole time without you leaning too much to side to side. So let's go again from 7, 8. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. After going 5, 6, 7, you're going to hop again, but it's completely up to you if you want to do this little punch thingy or just hop and face the left side again. So for the next 8 counts, after changing direction again, this part is a little bit more challenging. It's just footwork. There's nothing to do with the upper body. It's completely up to you. But the footwork, it's actually from what we call shuffling. It's pretty light on the feet, but the weight changing, it's a little bit more challenging. So after jumping, changing the direction, for the second time, you're actually going to land with your right foot in front and left foot at the back. For this part, you're going to have your heels up because you want to be light on your feet. So this is a twist of both heels in, and then you're going to have your weight on the front foot, which is your right foot, and then you twist in, and you don't have to balance here for too long, but you have your heels twisted in, or not heels twisted in, but heels out, and then you step out with your left, having your heels turn in again. I know it's a little bit harder to understand, but after the hop, you're going to land this way, twist your heel, and then you're going to twist it again, and then you step with your right foot in front again. That's the concept. So that's why it's a little bit more challenging, but just be light on your feet and relax, and you'll be fine. So you're constantly changing the weight. Whenever you are moving your left foot, you have your weight in front, which is on your right. Whenever you want to move with your right foot, of course, your weight is going to be on your left, so you can step. For the count, you're doing 1 step per count. So basically, you will hit 1 with the first step, and 2 for the second step, and 3, 4. So you end up having this pose, or you can be neutral at the end because we're going to shift and do the second style of shuffling. So let's do it again from 7, 8. Imagine you're changing direction and start shuffling after the change of direction. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after doing 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to reset our left foot because we're going to hit our heel to the right side again, starting the next style of shuffling. This one is different because you are constantly keeping your weight on your left foot, and if you don't do your right foot, I'm just going to show your left, you're going to shift your heel to the right the whole time. You're basically rubbing against the floor. At the same time, you're going to have this right foot doing this step in the air, not really touching the ground. You don't really have to tap it. It's up to you, but just be light feet to tap, 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 tap. So you are doing 1 count per shift. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the next 4 counts. So after doing 5, 6, 7, 8, you kind of cut this part off because you are hopping at 8 at the same time with your right foot in the air. So if you do it slowly, it will look something like this. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, tap. And then you change direction with the last right foot step. Now let's try to do it slowly from the top of this 8 count. Imagine changing direction at 8 and landing at 1. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So after going 5, 6, 7, 8, you change direction. This time, again, you'll be landing at 1. So this one is really similar to the previous 8 count where you are twisting your heels and your toes, but most of your weight is on the foot that is on the ball of your foot. And then this one, the front one, is just for you to do a twist so it looks really cool when you're doing this twist thingy. So imagine yourself having your feet like this. This is your heels, and you're going twist, 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 twist. So it goes right, left, right, right in front. I mean, the right foot. So you'll be hopping and landing at 1. This one, you have your left heel up, right toe up, going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you don't do it slow, so don't worry about having to hold this pose for too long. This is just going to be like tap, 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 like that. So most of the weight is on the foot that is on like the ball of your feet. So let's do it again slowly. We're not going to do the hop. Add the hop in there if you can after. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the last one is basically a twist and twist. You can add your hip a little bit just to emphasize it. You're pushing your lower body to the right, right. After going 3 and 4, you're going to step to the left with your right foot, left foot, right foot. So it's just right, left, right. And then you're going to cross and step with your left, right, left. And that's the last 4 counts for this part. So after going 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. The last count, the 8, you're preparing yourself to hop all the way 180 to the left. There's 8, and then you shift and jump facing the left again. So after going 5 and 6, 7 and 8, you're gonna land and do a similar move to previous one, which is boom, 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 pushing your hips, tap, 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 to the right, left, right. You only do this 3 times because we're dragging in our left foot at 4. So after hopping, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after doing 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna tap with your left toe like this, twisting your heel in, going forward a little bit with your upper body so it balances out the movement. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. So just left, right, left, right. So let's do it again from the top of this part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, this time you're actually changing direction to the right. And you're not hopping. You're just literally changing the direction and stepping with your left foot at 1. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. So you do the same step to the right side with left, right. So after going left, right, and you reset facing the right, and you're going to swing. I'm going to face this way. So left, right, and you're going to swing your arms like this to the left, to the right. So tap, tap. So after 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have your hands against the right side of your hip like this. And then you're going to kick your left foot up like this at and. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and because you're going to step down at 5, 6, 7, 8. This move is really cool, especially when you combine all the direction changing. Let's start with 5, 6, 7, 8 facing this way, and I'm going to slightly change my direction to the right. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So after doing 4 and, you're going to step down with your left foot, tap, 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 and change direction to the left. You're not putting a whole foot down, just tapping, 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 tapping. Whenever you are doing the foot up, your upper body should be forward. And then whenever you tap, you should lean back a little bit, not super big, just tap, 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 tap. So it balances out the movement. And also you are twisting your right heel so you can change the direction. Again, a lot of like floor rubbing kind of movements, but that's why it looks cool because that's a lot of like shuffling involved. like that. So just twist and rub the ball of your right foot. So let's do it again slowly from 1. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. You will be twisting all the way to the left. At the same time, they're doing this drum hitting kind of moves, which is really cool. So you'll be hitting from the bottom right all the way to the top left at the end of this step. Tap, tap, just like that. So it doesn't really matter how you hit it. Just hit it like this. Just tap, 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 tap. I would highly recommend you to hit double the speed. So ta-ta, 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 like that. Let's go from 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So after going 5, 6, 7, 8, it's going to be super simple because you're just doing like one more 8 and that's the end of this dance. You will step with your right forward. This is 1, and then you hop up and cross your arms like this, going 1, 2, and you kick your left foot out. Boom. Not super aggressively again this dance. So 1, 2, you step with your left and then kick your right. 3, 4. So super fun, super chill. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. So after going 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 more steps left, but you can pretty much do it like any way you want, just to have fun, doing like cross steps or right, left, right, left. It doesn't matter as long as you are going down, 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 down with the 4 counts. And that's the end of the dance. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 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 cross. That's it. We just finished learning this really fun Instagram dance by Jungkook. And let's go from the very top slowly by my count. I don't know if it's 0.5x the speed because there's no music really attached to this dance, but let's go slowly by my count. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. We just finished learning the super fun Instagram dance from Jungkook. This dance is super cool, super fun, and I just think that it is cool to make a tutorial video about it. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely post it on Instagram and don't tag me, tag the artist, tag the talent people, not me. But definitely follow me on Instagram if you have a chance, because that is for me to keep in touch with you guys, just in case if anything similar happened to my previous channel on this one. Hopefully not. But yeah, follow me on Instagram in the description below or in my profile so we can keep in touch. If there's any songs you want me to learn and teach in the future videos, let me know down in the comment section below as well. I know this one is not from a music video or performance video, but it was still really fun to dance with you with this song. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.